Hi guys, good morning Monday, and I receive a beautiful flower for sure for me, yeah, from my husband. Thank you so much, honey bunny. Good morning. Guys, we're already here in Bayfront. Punta tayo sa Garden by the Bay, tapos pupunta tayo, if ever mahanap natin yung Marina Barrage, so pupunta tayo sa Marina Barrage. Come to Gardens by the Bay. So, dito ang Floral Fantasy. Guys, hi everyone. So we're here already in Garden by the Bay. So this is how it looks. So walking around lang tayo dito, and super nice ng weather, and yeah, super. Oh, what is this, guys? Planet white painted. Okay, Gardens by the Bay, white painted bronze stainless steel. So yun siya. Beautiful spot here. You can see the Marina Bay hotel. That's a hotel, the most expensive hotel. You see that? Oh, beautiful. Nakakatakot dito guys ba, tapos biglang may buaya dyan. Buaya. Oh, beautiful. So guys, ang ganda maglakad-lakad ngayon, di ba? Though mainit siya, pero hindi naman siya ganun talaga kainit kasi ano na pahapon na siya. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. Diba? Char. So, lakad tayo, ikot tayo dito mga ante. Hindi ko alam kung saan na tayo, basta ikotin natin to. Let's go. That's a Rhapsody garden there. Daming cactus dito mga auntie oh. Sa likod ko. Dami. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Yung mga cactus. Klaseng cactus. So guys, parang half an hour na tayo naglalakad. And hahanap tayo ng upuan at iinom tayo ng tubig. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Sarap sa feeling yung papagpawisan ka sa kakalakad mo. So yeah. Guys, we made it to Marina Barrage. Look at the Singapore flag, guys. Diba? We made it here and I'm so loving it. Whew. Guys, in Marina Barrage, but we're gonna wait here until the sunset because that's the purpose of coming here, to see the beautiful sunset. We made it. Super. So merong nagpipiknik dito. Sunset is very pretty. No filter, guys. The sunset is very pretty. OMG. It's so pretty. Kids is there. Pauwi na tayo. I mean, pupunta na tayo ng MRT. So, time check is 7:50 na ata. So, uwi na din tayo. Straight na tayo uwi. Ang ganda dito. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Super. So, bye guys!